In this video, we are going to learn how to use the pseudo element and pseudo class. Basically, it is known as pseudo selectors. So, in the previous video, we have seen simple selector, combinator selector, and in this video, we are going to learn how to use this pseudo selectors. So, so pseudo selectors inside the pseudo selectors, it is having pseudo elements and pseudo class. So, I have already written some of the examples here. So, by this, we can proceed the easily. So first we will start with the pseudo class. How it works means first I will make one div, and inside this div I will make one button, and here I will just add something. Then we will proceed with the class and elements. So pseudo class and pseudo elements, what are the difference and what are the use cases of this one? Suppose already and I have started the port even. Okay, now you can see the click button. So or else and here I will add one class also. So class is to effect, where inside this effect we are going to add the styling. So dot effect, so dot effect, and here it is how pseudo classes work means by using the single colon it will work. First we will start with the hover effect, hover, and scale is to 1.2, and the background color should be aqua. Okay. So when my cursor hovers on the click and when overlaps on the click button, automatically you will see one color. See here, and it is getting little bit more bigger. That is because of that scale. So scale in the sense, what is usually the starting point is one. So you can make it as larger. So based on the user effects, it will interacting. That will be good for using the effects. And next, after hover, we are having a lot of more things like another child. So in the end of the child, suppose we are having the suppose we are having the some little bit more buttons, or we can say lot of buttons are there where we need to use this one. So and here for every class you for every button you don't need to write the same effect, same class. So instead of that, suppose you are having lot of buttons, then you no need to search that particular button like that. Another child in the sense you need to particular that element, second element. After that element, see here the second element has been got bigger. So based on like this one, another child background color will be more bigger, and scale is got also increased. So if I change 2 to is to 3 like this, if I make it, so it will shift from one to the next one. Like this we are having pseudo class, pseudo elements, and inside the pseudo class where we have seen the over effect and first child, another child, the last child. These are the examples. First child we will see here. So first child in the sense this is one, and the last child also like this one only, and another child also we have seen. And like this it is having some more things like read only. So here nothing effect will work here. All the buttons will get attracted at the same time, and if we click also nothing will happen. And disabled is also there. So some more examples are there. Disabled, if I click also nothing will happen. So like this you many more things are there. You need to uh, research one by one. As a beginner you should learn the basics things. Afterwards when you are getting going to the advanced things, that time you can go to the MDN and search for more things. For the current use, I will tell who and what are the use cases of nth child first one. Like those things, I have already what are the common use cases that I will be representing in this video. And apart from this one, now we will check how to use the pseudo elements. So before, after, and these are the use cases when we will check for the later. So we will for the first element, first letter or the first line, we will take as a first letter first now currently. So every C is getting the this color because we have mentioned it as a first letter. If we make it as a first line, then it will be the entire line will be take here. So here you can see the entire line got the color background color. So like this, it is having the different use cases and many more things. And these are the examples of the pseudo class and pseudo element. And if you want to if this is the inspect tab, how to use this means right click on your cursor and inspect here. By using this one, what wherever you want to check what is that element, particular element is having, you will get to know. And suppose if you are having a big project, then where you can't search the particular element, then use this inspect and then use this one. And suppose if you want to add the CSS, that time saving and coming back is getting the issue. So add whatever you want to add, you can add here. Height is to 20 pixel, then background, not background, color is to blue. Like those things you can add, but you should add to the particular button where you are want to add that added to the div. Now background color is to aqua, or aqua already, it will be same again, black. So you can see here back color has been applied, but this will be for the temporarily. Means if you refresh the page, then again it will be removed. And you can change this the document name, and you can add your personal icon, logo. Lot of things are there already in the previous videos I have mentioned. And in this current video, we have already got to know how to use the selectors. And in previous videos, we have seen pseudo class, in the sense combinator selector and simple selector. So learn one by as a step. I'm providing all the things in a step by step. So as a beginner, you should learn all the things so that you will be not get any complex issues in this one. And I will try to provide the notes also, if in case if it is possible. So what are the doubts you are having, just comment. Then I will reply to that comments. So this is the things we have learned in this video, and pseudo selector, pseudo class, and these are the examples. Try once at your system. Then if any issues you are facing, so just comment comment here. So subscribe the channel. We will see you in the next video.